and then everybody just shouting, Fiji, Fiji, yay! The boys were going out from house to house, knocking on people's roofs, trying to see if there's anyone inside the house, trying to get them onto the boat, getting them out to safety as well. That was for Monday, and ever since then, we've been mostly just doing cleanups, going from house to house. Once we arrive at the place, like few minutes later, their neighbors asked for help, and so why not? So we're just going from house to house just to see if we can help as many as we can. One thing that keeps our spirits up is singing. We just love to sing. Like the more we sing, it lifts our spirit. It gives us that energy to continue, keeps the vibe up. Yeah. As Pacific Islanders, like people actually depend on each other. That's what keeps us together. Everyone depends on each other. So whenever there's a need, whenever one is in need, like, you know, you're able to survive because you've got shoulders that you can lean on. So everything is done together as a village, as a community, as a whole. The boys, they feel more at home, like community that we're currently in, how we're able to interact, like everybody's so open to us, everyone is so friendly. Everyone is, the boys are just feeling at home right now. Yeah.